And in international news, Japan is looking to create a spending package over the medium and short term to fund and rebuild for the aftermath of the devastating 8.9 magnitude earthquake and 30-foot tsunami that hit the northeast of the country on Friday. Officials will use around $2.4 billion that was left over from the budget of the fiscal year to pay for the recovery project. That's according to the country's chief cabinet secretary, Yukio Edano. The northeast region that was mainly affected by the disaster accounts for 8% of the country's GDP. The area houses a whole host of manufacturing and energy companies, from car factories to a nuclear power plant. Analysts predict the earthquake will only have a minimal impact on the overall Japanese economy. And more on Japan. The country's shares are likely to come under pressure this week. Large industrial companies such as Sony, Mitsubishi and Toyota have shut down parts of their operations in the areas most hit by the tsunami. Sony has halted operations at 6 of its production plants. Car maker Nissan stopped production in 4 of its factories. The destruction happened just before the stock market in Japan closed on Friday. Now traders are unsure of the total impact of the earthquake on the markets. Officials say there will be a large contagion effect in the short term for other Asian markets. The MENA region stock markets will not be affected much, experts believe. Traders in Jaipur city in India's northwestern Rajasthan state, a hub of jewellery making and trade, face a major setback as exports are hit due to the disaster in Japan. Japan is a major importer of gems and jewellery from India, but also an exporter of freshwater pearls to the country. Jaipur, in fact, imports the majority of pearls from Japan. Officials say not only will the trade of gems and jewellery between the two countries be affected, but also trade in gold and silver jewellery would come down. And Egypt is set to reopen its stock exchange before the end of the month. That's according to the country's finance minister. The move will ensure that the bourse is not taken off global emerging market indices, he said. The Egyptian bourse has been shut since 27th of January. That's the latest in international business. Before we go, we will take a quick look at the Asian equity markets, at oil, followed by metals and a selection of currencies. After that, Laura Buckwell is back with the news.